for you. Bring it in. You're number one. Forward, little forward. You're following a low wing now. Turn in final for 36 right. My low wing, 36 right. Awesome job. Clear to land. You're number one. Pass the left stairs.
Little forward, unable. We're the let it land. We'll go back.
Okay, and little forward, just keep it, continue inbound. My low wing, you're going to land after the red square. And for little forward, just set it down over the numbers if you can.
Unable, we're a beam.
Okay, I see you going around. That's fine. Go around the right side and make a right.
Turn. So there you go. Take a left. You're going to right that one road between 36 right.
Okay, that way for 36 right. Go around. That way for 36 right. Go around. And there you go. Okay, you're doing awesome. Thank you.
Check over on the left side of 2. Right.
Sun Tower, C-47 flight, so you got green C-47 black and white checkerboard, reporting Warbird Island.
Stand flat, left turn into the grass. Good job. Green demo inbound to Warbird. Green demo, roger. Report Warbird. 36 left or right.
6 left for C-47 flight 2 would be great.
Okay, can you do the initial?
We'll do the initial for runway 36 left. Mile initial for 36 left for C-47 flight 2.
How about the orange and white T-34 goes back to Warbird? Orange and white T-34, you're flying southbound on the affirmative. The west runway just off your right wing. If you want to make a left turn, make a left turn back to the final 27 and check 0.5. We're going to get you in on left turn to final 27. Switch front Warbird, flight at 2 Warbird out, to 36 left overhead. I got it. T-33 check. Ready?
T-33, thank you. T-33, we'll see an initial. That'll be a right turn.
Big forward, please. Mark, pump 2.
It's going to be for the 36 left.
Oh, perfect. Orange and white Mentor, are you on the frequency? On the frequency. Okay, Mentor, just put your down, put your down. Skyriders.
Okay, Skyriders, make a turn at the island.
T-33 2-mile initial, headed. Leaked it off.
First Tower, C-47 flight 2 lined up for the initial for runway 36.
Turn it in now, runway 36 left, clear to land.
T-36 left. Leave runway, good job, all the way past the red square, and high speed taxi to the end. The T-47 is the head zero, you have to fly the 2 T-33s, turning in base, yeah,
do you have the T-33s in sight there on the right base?
Affirmative.
Okay, you're going to follow those. You're going to follow the second one. You're clear to land 36 left. My T-33, second one, number 2. Tighten it up for me, 36 left, clear to land. You're starting inside, let's see, you're going to tail dragger over the 4 lane. Keep your altitude. Tail dragger over the high wing. Okay, the tail dragger just...
233s.
Thank you.
Yeah, T-33 is your clear to land. T-33 is clear to land. You're rolling to the end. C-47 is your clear to land. Go all the way to the yellow dot. Tail dragger, you're doing fine. Just maintain your altitude. You're going to go through the funnel for 36 left and land 36 right. There you go. Tail dragger, you're doing a good job. Just maintain your altitude till you turn the final 36 right, and you're going to land on the red square. Red square. Skyrider, Wolbird.
Skybound, report to rank base, runway 36 right.
And Wolbird arrival, white, blue, Twin Beach at Runway.
Red and white highway, you're number 3, following a yellow RV, about to turn a mile and a half final, so keep it going to about a mile final, and I'll have you join them once you get closer. Who else is calling over Warbird?
White, blue, Beach 18.
White and blue Beach 18, right to that report, Warbird. Red and white highway, clear to land on the green square, 36 right, that's the skinny runway. Okay, I have a Mooney that's south of steel that's low. Keep it low, please. Runway 36 right, clear to land at or after the red square. The low wing just south of the field, runway 36 right. Behind him, I see a Cherokee type now, south of the tower, runway 36 right, also clear to land at or after the red square. All aircraft land the skinny runway, we're going to roll high-speed taxiway all the way down to the end, and plan 36 right at 3 about over 5th.
Great job, Twin Beach. Thank you. Red, black there, Fond du Lac for the 7 arrivals.
Red and black what?
Red, black there, 7 arrivals, little Fond du Lac.
Red and black left or right left for report the island. Okay, aircraft turn final, make sure to keep it in the air all the way down to the red square, at or after the red square. Got too much space on final. Alright, 36 left, clear to land on point traffic, I'll just get closer.
Alright, clear to land, 36 left, and we'll keep it high.
All aircraft land on the right, high-speed taxi, all in, but high-speed taxi ended. Keep that coming down, we'll get we're going to Twin Beach up at 1 o'clock, just up turn final for the 5th runway. Clear land 36 right on the red, put it at or after the low wing. Twin Beach. That becomes taxiway alpha. Thanks, everybody. If you're in my fifth once again, follow this guy to be stopped to the left base for 136. We'll call you. Pick you up by type color once you cross the 6 lane highway. For now, plan 36 right for most of your arrivals. Keep the runway.
Four jets, Fond du Lac. Where's the island? Jet flight. Line of 4 jets, or the initial.
Red glass there is Warburton Island.